Number 1.
1991 GMC Sierra, price $9,950. It carries a clean title and the current tags are valid until September 2025, making it ready for the road. The truck has 182,000 miles and is equipped with the dependable 5.7L V8 350SS engine, paired with a manual transmission that shifts smoothly and provides a strong connection to the road. Finished in a striking red exterior with a gray interior, it has the classic look that has made these early 90s Sierras a favorite among enthusiasts.
The engine runs very well, and the transmission is also in very good condition, reflecting the truck's overall reliability.
Recently, new catalytic converters were installed, adding to its mechanical soundness and ensuring it continues to perform efficiently. With its combination of power, durability, and timeless styling, this GMC Sierra stands out as both a dependable driver and a collectible classic pickup.
Number 2.
1965 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, sitting on a 2004 Tahoe chassis. It is powered by a dependable 5.3 LLS V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, showing approximately 150,000 miles. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well with zero oil leaks, offering both reliability and performance for everyday cruising or weekend shows. Performance is enhanced with long tube headers and a new cold air intake, while a set of 18-inch stock wheels gives it a clean and balanced stance.
Stopping power is ensured with brand new brakes and rotors, adding peace of mind on the road.
The mechanicals have also received significant attention, including new spark plugs with fresh cables, upgraded cooling fans, a new water pump, and a new radiator filled with fresh coolant. To complement these updates, the truck is also equipped with modern LED lighting, improving both safety and style.
Number 3.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has traveled 143,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a clean gray interior, the truck maintains about 90% originality, keeping much of its classic charm intact. Well maintained and running strong, it comes with a clean pink slip in hand. Both the heater and air conditioning work perfectly, making it a comfortable choice in any season. The interior is tidy and well kept, showing the care it has received over the years. Riding on Michelin tires with plenty of tread left, the Chevrolet is ready for the road. Overall, it's a solid and reliable truck that can serve as a dependable daily driver while still carrying the appeal of a classic pickup. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1985 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,000, shows around 100,000 miles and is presented with an automatic transmission. Painted in classic black and powered by gasoline, it carries the legendary 454 big block engine that delivers the kind of strength these trucks are known for. The drivetrain features a TH350 transmission and an NP205 transfer case, both freshly rebuilt and resealed to ensure reliable performance. To improve safety and handling, brand new brake lines have been run through the entire truck, while a heavy-duty 4-turn steering gearbox has been added, making it ready to handle large off-road tires with ease. A rough country frame reinforcement has also been installed, giving the chassis extra durability and support. Although not a flawless example, this Chevy stands as a tough and dependable platform.
Number 5.
1981 Chevrolet C10, price $9,350. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, powered by a 305/350 engine equipped with a mild cam and Edelbrock intake. The engine has recently received extensive work, including a new cam, lifters, timing chain, oil pump, and a complete reseal. Additional upgrades include a new carburetor, distributor, radiator, EGR, brake hoses, shocks, and heater core, along with a set of good tires. Inside, the truck is in good condition with new carpet, a fresh headliner, and lower door carpeting. While the body remains clean, it does need a fresh coat of paint. The hood has a couple of dings, and the passenger side floor pan has been repaired. The AC system is complete but currently not functioning, and the dash cluster has some issues. Despite these minor needs, the truck runs well, has just passed smog, and comes with current tags and a clean title, with the pink slip in hand.
Number 6.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,995. It has 217,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a push-button 4x4 system and runs and drives exceptionally well with no warning lights or mechanical issues. the truck comes from its original owner in Missouri and has been well cared for throughout its life. It offers both comfort and convenience, with cold air conditioning, hot heat, and power options including windows, locks, and mirrors. Inside, the clean cabin is fitted with bucket seats and a center console, adding to the overall practicality and comfort. The exterior is finished in tan, complemented by color-matched rocker panel covers, while the frame is in mint condition.
Number 7. 1984 Ford F250, price $5,000, finished in black with an automatic transmission. The truck has a clean interior and still runs and drives, though it does need attention to the carburetor, either a rebuild kit or a replacement, as the current one leaks fuel. It also requires an exhaust gasket on the driver's side. Inside, the radio and heat are fully functional, while the air conditioning only needs a recharge to be operational again. There is some rust on the back fenders, but overall the truck presents itself as a solid candidate for a restoration project. With its originality and strong foundation, it's the perfect builder, or with a new carburetor, it can be enjoyed just as it is. Number 8.
1978 Ford F150, price $3,000, finished in a sleek gray exterior, paired with a matching interior, and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 302 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission plus overdrive. Despite its age, the truck runs and drives impressively well. Over the years, many important components have been refreshed, making it a reliable classic. It has received a new master cylinder with a brake booster, a new battery, and a new Edelbrock 1406 carburetor for smoother performance. Additionally, it has been fitted with a new alternator, starter, key switch ignition, thermostat, coil, voltage regulator, fuel pump, gas tank, fuel sending unit, starter solenoid, and starter switch.
Number 9.
1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000. It has 200,000 miles on it and is equipped with a manual transmission and a gasoline-powered engine. It features a gold exterior paired with a tan interior, giving it a classic look. The truck is a 4x4 with 4-wheel drive and has been upgraded with a 4.5-inch lift for added stance and capability. Recently, it received a number of mechanical updates, including new spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor, and coil. A freshly installed transmission, clutch, pressure plate, and throwout bearing were sourced out of Springfield, Missouri, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. All fluids, oils, and grease have been recently changed, making it road-ready. The Sierra comes with newly powder-coated orange and black bullet wheels, paired with black bullet lug nuts, and includes a brand new orange and black seat cover. While the body shows some rust, the sale also includes replacement fenders and flares. Number 10. 1964 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, classic short bed pickup finished in blue with a beige interior. Powered by a reliable 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, it features a 3-speed column shift that runs and drives smoothly. The truck is equipped with power steering, making it easier to handle, and has recently received new tires, brakes, and a clutch.
Seat belts have also been added for safety.
Like many vintage pickups, it shows some typical rust, but new rust repair panels are included with the sale. Overall, this Chevy combines its timeless style with dependable performance, ready to be enjoyed or taken to the next level of restoration.